Ka sorkar jela kalapan benaban pleno ya kalit kawan jingki kali na baro arliang surak jong ka jingkieng Umiam dam ka bajulong baro shikata nadu lasya ka singilai po taring bat penkut no ya ka jing penyat ka batang shiliang surak ka balayat mentala kumba prabnai kunti. Ya kanila pentip da menteri katanat boarding U80 mondal hadin ka jingalang jong ka high powered committee bala penyat da usembut menteri rangba ka jela ubak presiden Tinsong haka arpandai trik naitung. Watla kata na kaliang umondal ulaong ba endang khang yiki kali ki bakya palat saw metric ton bakin yatling bajong kani ka jingkieng. Ulaong ru ba na kaliang katanat PWD kan sa penyeng daki jingkier ban perking ya ka jingyat jong ki kali he bala pendait ru daki CCTV kamera ban kemi benya na kabenta ka jinglong jingman bat ka jingshingan jong kadam. Habakren syakilap tay kubor umenteri ulaong ru baka sorkar kan sa shimya karay ban pleno ya kanika jingkieng hadin ka jingmanjor na ka IIT Guwahati kabala pentik na halor ka jingshingan ya kali bakin yatling ba kanika jingkieng. Ulaong ru baka jinglot jingsap hakabaya day baka kanika jingshna penklan bat maramat ya kanika jingkieng dam kalakot siya ka katkandai klur tingka bat mentala penjalan syuk-syuk ya karta jong kanika jingkieng sada kumba arpus nem. Ha kabaya day bat kiway pat kilenti yat kali ban penkyar lingba kanika jingkieng umenteri ulaong bala penkamti ya kanesya katanat National Highway Authority of India NHAI kabala penyat menta syakmat ya kanika kam.
The High Power Committee for the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways. And this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned. I was telling you earlier also, today also I want to tell you that this entire work is having two components. One component is the dam and the other component is the bridge above the spillway. As the traffic is concerned on the bridge and dam, the portion where the retrofitting work for the bridge is required, it is completed. And further retrofitting may require that we will decide later on if it requires at all. But for the present scope of work, it has been completed. As per dam is there, almost all the works on the top surface is completed. But still we need to go for grotting in the gallery portion, and that will not hamper the movement of traffic. And also little work is left for the repairing of the cracks in the upstream space of the bridge, and small minor works are there. This will not hamper as per movement of traffic is concerned. The entire cost as of now, it is around 19.9 crore for Umiam Dam only.
Sir, can we conclude now that the dam and the bridge is safe?
See, the question is that safe on what basis?
Like for movement of vehicles, and
That's
even
why
for the reservoir.
that's why we are restricting for light motor vehicles only. It is not safe to allow heavy vehicles to move on the dam and the bridge.
So the life of the bridge has increased as
Yeah, with this load restriction, life has increased. But if we allow heavy vehicles, then there may be further deterioration of the bridge and also dam may happen. That will lead to the further seepage of the dam, and also there may be further crack in the bridge.
So how will you ensure that these heavy vehicles don't lie in the?
Yes, we have discussed on that, and earlier also we put barrier, but somehow or other the restriction, though we contained, but as per some allegations that heavier vehicle also passes the bridge. That's why we have decided that this time we will put permanent barrier so that heavy vehicle with some height cannot enter.
So what is the alternative for heavy vehicles?
Like night super buses and
They will ply the same way they are plying now.
Same way, man.
Means they will not enter.
They will not. They will enter the city, but they will not cross the bridge.
these night super buses, despite having an ISBT here, they're forced to operate from Umiam because of this restriction. So what is the point, sir?
No, see, this restriction got to go for the greater interest of the bridge and also the dam, because night supers also carry a lot of weights. Nowadays, we don't see that night supers are carrying weight on top of the vehicle, but they are having an under deck where they used to carry heavy loads also. And as our consultant who is telling that the total load can be given at any point of time, that one, what he mentioned. So accordingly, we have gone. So after erecting of all barriers and all these things, we will come with some relaxation, but it is as per today's decision that heavy vehicles will be not allowed over the bridge.
But then the bridge is weak, that means.
Bridge is weak, that's why.
So you have pumped in a lot of money and then.
Brother, you are coming back again, bridge.
Yeah, because people are.
We have pumped major money in the dam, not in the bridge.
So why you do not then go for a massive renovation of the bridge?
If we go for renovation of the entire only bridge portions, then this road will be cut off for good for at least 1 year.
1 year already cut off.
No, it is started from last December 13th or 14th.
This is July. July ending.
Come on here, calculate it is
2-3 months.
it is only 7 months. And you see, we told that by July we will finish. I told you once that we may go to first week of August, because we thought that there may be some heavy downpour, 1 or 2 days we cannot work. That's why I took that extra gap for that. But luckily, the rain we have withstood and work has been done as per our plan. Just now, before the meeting, I have traveled from Fulbari and I came through this road only. I have seen, that's why I requested that why not immediately, at least the people who will go for official work, will go for treatment, will go to catch the flight from Guwahati. Many other reasons are there. Let them get some relief immediately. Otherwise, we would go for those barriers and then would allow to go the vehicles. But because seeing the pain of the commuters, we are allowing them to go. See, as the construction work was going on, so the through which this water was taken out, this got blocked, so water could not go. Now we have removed all this blocked, those seepage water now can easily pass through. Second thing is that we have gone for some more holes to carry out the water, so there won't be any question of water logging there. Today IIT professor was with us, the consultant. He was with us only because I was making sure that he should be present to this meeting. That's why, as he was busy, first he was out of station. Second thing, that he was in charge for the introduction of 1,100 IIT students, freshers into the college, so he could not give us time. That's why we have come to the end of our target date also. That is the reason.
Is it not irony that you are spending 19 crore, 19.9,
Mm.
and you are saying that no, we cannot bring the heavy vehicles? That means
See-
then it should have continued the whole way. You improved a lot of lot of money spent, no?
No, that is there, but see, 19 crore money is spent to not only for bridge. Bridge component is around 64 lakhs only. Our major concern is the dam. So in the dam, the major chunk of money has gone. And moreover, not only that, this is a regular repair and renovation is also there. There is another component of around 2 point some crore, where we are going to paint the radial gate, we are going to remove the old rubber seal, put the new rubber seal. We have put the spiral gate to go on top of the main structure. Then also that catwalk new we have put. So all this, there are three components. One component is civil work. The civil work is basically for the dam. And second one is the electromechanical work. That electromechanical work, whether you repair or not repair, you'll have to do it. So we took this opportunity to work all together at the same time. The third thing is that the retrofitting of the bridge, which is around 64 lakhs.
So what is the lifespan of the bridge?
See, as we know, all of us, we know that lifespan of the bridge is almost expired. So with this thing, and if the load restriction is there, you can say that we have added another 2 decades into that. But then we should be very strict in that. This is the allegation, and we are seized with these allegations also, that we are not turning away. There may be chances of that also, and that's why today we have decided that a permanent barrier will be put so that it will be automatically restricted. PWD has been entrusted to find out ways and means to put permanent barricade so that the heavy vehicles cannot enter the bridge, because bridge, and more of that, our dam is the most important thing as of now to safeguard its safety. That is the thing. And second thing is that we have already installed CCTV cameras.
So you'll be
Full protection.
you'll be going on a war footing for a new alternative bridge, because now it is useless now, it appears.
Yeah, whatever you say, government is decided that a alternative route bypassing this bridge will be in place as early as possible, but it is not an easy work. Number one, we got to find out the alignment, negotiate the contours, and also see that how land position is there. But department PWD is on the job. No, alternate ground, yes, it was discussed, and National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has been entrusted to find an alternative route, and they are working on it.